A report from the Sentencing Project highlights how many prisoners are serving life. The authors found nearly 200,000 people are serving life sentences across the country. Michigan is one of 5 states with the most prisoners serving life without parole. Here, there are more than 3,500 inmates who will never see freedom again.
In Michigan, we found that 11% of the prison population is serving a life without parole sentence, which makes it 5th in the country as far as the proportion of a state's prison population serving this sentence.
Celeste Berry is the program associate for the Sentencing Project. Every 4 years, they collect the data on how many people are serving time in state prisons.
Nationally, we saw a 4% reduction in the life sentence population, and in Michigan, we saw a 14% decrease in the life sentence population.
These numbers are compared to 2020. It was the last time the Sentencing Project released any kind of data on life sentences. The decrease could be for a few reasons.
We are seeing reforms in Michigan. For instance, in recent years, the U.S. Supreme Court ruled that a mandatory life without parole sentence is unconstitutional for individuals that were under the age of 18 at the time of their offense.
In the past year and last few months, state lawmakers have taken up legislation that would amend the current laws on criminal justice.
We are hoping that people can see that life sentences are not an effective tool for combating crime and for combating public safety.
We've heard concerns over victims' rights when sentences are reduced or a person convicted of a serious crime is paroled. Berry says they believe the victim's voice should be heard in any case.
I think that it's important that, along with other factors, when an individual is up for a resentencing, that a victim's voice is heard.
In Michigan, there are more than 4,800 people serving a life sentence. Some will be eligible for parole. Overall, there's been a decrease in people serving time behind bars compared to the last data collection in 2020.